know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hello everybody, it is Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you, and welcome back to another weekly dose of happiness, and welcome back to this series. This week is a little shorter, so I apologize in advance for that. For now on, my weekly dose of happiness will be posted on Fridays, and on Mondays I'll have regular videos. Wednesdays we're cutting that out because I jumped into school. Okay, so I did a lip scrub because my lips have needed some real TLC. I put some honey, sugar, and some coconut oil, and I scrubbed my lips, and then I let them sit with some paper towel as like a mask pretty much, because my lips have been dried and cracked and needed some TLC, y'all. And ooh, this is all I needed. Like, my lips looked scrumptious after this, like scrumptious. This is everything and more that I needed. So if y'all need a lip scrub, I recommend this one. On Monday, we unbraided the hair. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know how it gotta go. The hair gotta come undone eventually, and it is so damn exhausting and such a long process. When I say long process, I mean long process. The hair finally was out the next day, so the fro is finally out to play. I missed my fro, y'all. Now on Wednesday, we got some boba, some bubble tea. I have been always obsessed with taro bubble tea. It's like the slushy kind, and that's always the ones I got. But I've been trying to experiment a little bit because I see all these damn LA YouTubers with their boba that is not the type of boba I usually get. So I've been experimenting a little bit. So I got a lemon honey tea, and it was very sour, and a milk tea for my Zoom class the next day. On Thursday, we listened to some online math lectures. Yep, school never ends for me. And lastly, on Friday, we went birthday shopping for my dad. Shh, I can't show you guys the gift just in case he watches this, but we found it. And that is the end of my weekly recap. I know, boring, slow, I'm sorry. Short week, but next week I will try to make it more lively. So remember, new videos every Monday and Friday. And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye, guys. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.